Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and low miles. You are going to love the 2013 CT 200H. The Lexus CT 200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, climate control, multi-zone. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.